Hello! Welcome back to another Abyss Tech vlog video. So in this video, I'm basically going to be transferring some parts from the Problem Child server to the Dell Precision T3400. So basically all I'm going to do is just take the graphics card out of here, put it into that system because it doesn't have a VGA out on it. And seeing as I have a VGA monitor on a VGA KVM switch, there's basically not much I can basically do. So, until I find a cheap VGA card for this, I will have to make do with what I have to work with. Fortunately, I don't have a spare graphics card on hand with VGA out on it. So, I'm going to lay the Problem Child down. Go ahead and pull that down. Pull this one up, down. Open this beast up. So here's the 2.5-inch drive I originally put in here, which that's got some bad sectors to it. Let's go and put that aside. Stand it up. So you guys can actually see what I am basically doing. So all I'm basically after is the graphics card and the hard drives that I currently have existing in here. So, I basically already did some of the work I need on the 3400. So, I just need to pull this out. The reason why I'm using the 6800 GT is because it has a VGA out on it. And, for a finesse video, which might come in handy later. Might have to clean the fan a little bit, but I'll get it fixed eventually. So, the RAM I'll keep in here. Go ahead and unplug all the hard drives. Since I basically have 3 drives, I will just need the SATA cables out of them. I'll just stick the blue one in here. I might snag the blue one too, because I might need that. Come on. Ow. Alright, here's the Western Digital Caviar Green drive, which has some of my files I need on it. The Western Digital Black drive, put that aside. And here is the Western Digital Caviar Blue, which is actually the hard drive from my original rig. But I needed more space, so that's why I upgraded to the 1TB WD Black. So, that being said, let's go ahead and move this system elsewhere. This will eventually become my router. If I can just get the thing to shut. Oh, yeah, let's not lose my screws. Although, I'm pretty sure we have all lost our screws at one point in time. That was probably the floppy drive you heard. Alright. That out of the way. Let's go ahead and bring the components I need over. So, I'm going to go ahead and bring in one of my favorite tools. Gotta go up and grab it. That'll speed up the process. My Black & Decker Firestorm drill, which I got for 30 bucks at a yard sale. Needless to say, the battery was in excellent shape. So I'm going to go ahead and move a little bit. Unplug the power, my charger from my phone, which I'm using to record this video right now. Got a little more microphone cord here. Alright, let's go ahead and lean down. So I'm basically going to be taking the screws off the hard drives. Move these screws out of the way. Make sure I adjust my torque setting to about the lowest torque I possibly set this drill. it for the right direction. One set of screws. One drive. Two drives. Three drives. Alright, let's go ahead and find a spot for all the drive rails that I have accumulated here. I'll eventually put these back in the problem child. Right now it's getting a timeout. So let's go ahead and pull one hard drive cage out. First, let's go ahead and install... No, let's wait to install the graphics card. I'm just going to make you wait. So let's go ahead and pull this drive rail out. See right here? So I want my 1 terabyte drive to be on the bottom. So it goes upside down, I believe. Okay, yep. This is where I want to have it. So make sure I have it in view. So let's just go ahead and squeeze this on. Alright, hard drive is in. Let's go ahead and put it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Alright, let's go ahead and use this SATA cable, hoping it's long enough. And Dell has some very long SATA cables. And use this part where the floppy drive used to go. Alright, go ahead and plug it in. There we go. Now on to the 2 other drives, which I'm actually going to populate the external 3.5-inch drive bay, so I will just need 2 SATA cables. Put that aside. So let's go ahead and get the screws to the hard drive in. I don't know if these ones will work or not. Let me... Alright, this might be a little wide. Alright, so let's go ahead and put drive number 1 in. Pull the tab down. It's not going to be an exact fit, but it'll work. I should have that in straight. Alright, 2 more screws, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, second drive going in. Alright, now the hard drives are in. I gotta find my faceplate here. Something will go in without any problems. Alright, drives are in place, DVDs in place. Go ahead and put the main faceplate back on. This system is actually quite considerably smaller than my Dell Precision PC. Alright, so we got all the hard drives in. Now we just gotta get all the connections made. So let me see. Alright, so you can see it. Now, how do I want to route these cables? Yeah, zip ties. Can't reuse zip ties, folks. Yeah, so let's go ahead and plug you into here. Into here. Now, I mentioned this system also comes with 6 SATA ports, which is pretty nice. And like I said, 500 watt power supply, not to exceed 525. And then it is 80 plus certified. It's actually a real nice deal from Dell, if you ask me. Well, over the years, Dell actually has, well, this is a workstation PC, so it wouldn't be right to cheap out on the power supply. Whether it be in a workstation class system. Let me get the cables out of the way as much as I can. Alright, that's done. It's going to make the power connections. And this vlog will be a 2-parter for the fact that I still need to configure BIOS. And let's see what cartridge I can do with that Q6600. That's better than running on a Pentium, better than a Pentium 4. It would help if I had the SATA power on the right ding-dong direction. Well, just now stress that connector out. Here's the one coming off the DVD drive. Nope, not a good idea either. Another one? I guess I'll have to. Alright, that's all in. Now we just gotta do the GPU. Squeeze the 2 levers down. Here. Check this part out. Of course, there's another freaking screw. So this isn't quite completely toolless. Yep. Alright. Alright, now we are in. Just gotta find the other screws that I had laying around. Oh, no, there's the other screw for the FX1700. Yeah, there is a correction. The description said it was a FX3700. It turns out it is a FX1700, but that's okay. Alright. 2 graphics cards. Just one for the VGA output. Put that aside here. Alright, so that wraps it up for the upgrades for the system here. So let's go ahead, take a quick break and go on to part 2, which is the boot up. I just gotta set my screws aside here and my dog is wanting to get through. I'll be back.